My name is Chris Berry. I'm very excited to introduce to you today this brand new shape of drum, the Kuma. After 25 years of hand drumming and spending many years in Africa, traveling throughout 20 different countries in Africa, and playing in stages all around the world, I had a dream of the perfect drum that would have a diverse sound and could be played in many different situations. The basic idea of the Kuma was to make a hybrid that was between a conga and a djembe. The conga, you have a really beautiful tone, but the slap sometimes can be more quiet than the djembe. The djembe, you have less of a tone, but you have a great slap. A lot of people think when they see the Kuma that it's exactly like a djembe or just another shape of a djembe, but really if you look closely, it's not. The djembe has a very hard angular cut from the bowl and the foot. And with the Kuma, you don't have that at all. It's all round in here. Number two, this bowl is probably 30% bigger than a djembe's bowl, and that is what gives us the tone and the amazing bass on the Kuma. What this shape does for us with this extra large bowl, and without putting that hard angle in there that a djembe usually has, it gives us a really rich bass and a really rich tone. All the drums have really rich bass and tone. But at the same time, each one has a great slap. Some other great things about the Kuma are that we use cow skin, which enables us to be able to use sticks. And it also gives us that warm, rich ability to make melody. Having the three sizes, we can play rhythms and really pull out the melody in the rhythm. One of the things that I love about this drum is that I can fall back into the background and play tonal music just as a conga would, and also at the same time when it's time to take a lead or really stand out in front of the music, I have my slaps, I have my djembe quality in this drum as well. Also here with the Kumas, we have three different sizes here. We have the large one, which we call the Kuma Ba, the middle one, which is just the Kuma, and the little one, which is the Kakuma. By having the three drums like this on stage, just as you would probably have three congas, a professional player would have three congas on stage, we have the ability to make melody. Something that's really hard to do with djembes. After 60 prototypes and years of trying to perfect the dimensions of the Kuma, we finally feel that we've arrived. We've got a drum here that actually bridges worlds and can play rhythms from around the globe. Here's some of those rhythms right now.